and we'll see what are the guidance messages for you in the middle of the month. Okay, so for those who are new to my channel, this is a general reading. It might or might not resonate with all of you, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider subscribing and hit the bell notification icon as well, so that you'll be updated about my latest videos. Alright, so let's see for my Sagittarius what is the July mid is bringing for them. What are the messages for my Sagittarius in the middle of the month? Sag, July mid, Sag. Alright. Alright, so I can see over here that there is some kind of conflicts you are dealing with. Might be your friends, because there is a kind of an energy where your mindsets are different, and the other people with whom you are living with, or with whom you are dealing with, they have different kind of mindsets. So I can see that there is a disharmony between some people around you and you. So might be a family as well. So let's see what else is there. Yeah, so there is a kind of a burden, I can see a kind of tiredness, like you are doing a work, you are very busy. Okay, for some people it also means that you are in the middle of a work, you are doing a job of yours, you are a well established, you are a self-made person who is doing some kind of, you are doing a lot of work basically right now. You are all set into your work, you are gaining so much of money and profits, and you are tired. Yes, you are very much tired, you are being pressurized, might be by the family, or might be because of just the work, because you are very busy, I can see over here. And but what is the issue? The issue is harmony. See, what is happening is you are so much involved in your work right now that you are not able to give time to your family, to your friends, those people who actually need you, who actually love you. You are not in that zone at all, because sometimes what happens is your work, it actually makes you that kind of a person with whom you are like, how to say this, just a second. Yeah, so I was saying that you were in that kind of a place where you are more of, you have achieved that place now. All your success is on your head now, so that is what you are feeling. The other people around you, they are thinking about you that you have become dominant. You are a person of like, I'm with you, I am with you, I'm with all my family members. You were like that before, but now it's like your success has come on your head. You have become, might be a little arrogant as well, because you have money in your hand, you have that respect in society. So that might be a pressure, and that is why your family, your friends, they are feeling that you are not maintaining that peace, that harmony which you always used to do. Yeah, so that is why some kind of confusions are coming in your mind, and you are feeling that you are depressed. You are also depressed, I feel that, because people around you, they are moving away from you. Those people who actually loved you, they are moving away. There are some kind of conflicts arising. Yes. Six of Wands. You are actually showing that I'm becoming victorious. I am this, I am that. Attitude is coming, arrogance is coming. It's not like you want this thing, it's just like you are actually loved by many people. You are actually getting a lot of attention from many people, because you have started something new, and you made that thing possible for you. But there is some kind of a feeling for other people who are around you that this thing might turn into arrogance. Okay, so that is why the exact inner situation is, you are actually so much giving the time to your work that you are blocking your family members towards coming to you. It's not because you want to block it, it's like you are not able to give time. You are so much surrounded by time, you are so much busy that they are getting blocked. You, when you reach home, your kids sleep at that time and your wife also sleeps, and it's like that kind of energy which I feel that you are not at all being with you are not at all being with your family, with your friends. They need you, but you don't have time for that. Yeah. Five of Pentacles, Five of Wands, and Two of Wands. So you were in a place where you just left that energy. This was your energy where you were, people around you, you had conflicts with your family members. You had, like, there were no contact period with people whom you actually love, but you had no choice because you had to go towards this mode, the Emperor mode, because your work, your setup, whatever, you are giving time to your work. I can see that. So you were not able to give time to your family at all. And yes, with Five of Cups and Six of Swords, I feel that you are entering in that mode where now you are feeling, there is a kind of feeling that I am moving away from my family. There is a sadness. Might be your family, your friends, might be someone is there who had left you finally, who just thought that I cannot be with this person anymore because he or she doesn't even have time for me for not even 1 minute. So how is this possible? So I can see there is someone moving away from you, and there is some kind of a guilt, some kind of sadness on your side because you chose your work above all. So that is why. Yeah. Okay. So your energies are still that where you are working for, there is new beginnings, still you have many ideas how to improve your work. But what about your relationship? Do you have any ideas for that? Because all I can see is you are still just going towards, like, you want money as well, but still I can see that you are still waiting for someone to call you, to message you, because at the end family is important and you know that. So let's see. Okay, so the other people, your family might be the cards are Ten of Cups, Ten of Pentacles, and the Queen of Swords. Might be a wife, might be so might be a wife or your girlfriend or your family members. So there is something which they need to talk to you about. So they are very clear about that. Either your family, choose between your family or your work. So there is going to be conversation. I can see over here that there is someone who is not going to accept all your these kind of lame excuses all the time that you are working. Someone is here who is going to talk straight to you, and I can feel that might be a family member or family, your wife might be. I can see that. Okay, so the things which were hidden, they are actually coming out in the surface. So this is something which does not involve, like, it's not a bad message for you. It's more like, okay, fine, I'm ready to talk to you. What do you want? So all the things I'm going to explain it to you. So you are in that kind of a mode where all the things will come on the surface and you will have to tell whatever the other person is asking to you. You have to tell. And yes, and with that harmony I see that over here. How beautiful. Hermit with the Ace of Cups and the Sun card. So there is a new beginning in that relationship which was not going really well because you made your point, the other person made their point, and now finally you are in between. You have settled with the Hermit card, everything you have settled. Okay, you have come to the grounds now. You are not, basically, you are not traveling in the air anymore, and you are more like, okay, fine, I am here, I am with you, I am with my kids, I am here for a new beginning, fresh start beginning. So very beautiful message for you. You have gone through a lot of problems, I can see over here, but money is important at the end, obviously, for everyone, but you actually realize the value of family as well at the end. So that's all from my side, my Sagittarius. I hope you like the reading, and we'll meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.